Now the next point is nothing but the combining relations. Now what is a combining relations? Combining relations is that जैसे हम लोगों ने सेट में करा था ऑपरेशंस यूनियन इंटरसेक्शन डिफरेंस एंड सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस, जस्ट फाइंड आउट इट फॉर द relations also, and after finding out the relation we can find out the combining relations. Now what the combining relations is, directly jump to the example. If my set A is 1 2 3 having element 1 2 3, B set is having a two elements, that is UV, then the relation and R1 and R2 is given to you. Okay, it is ready given to you. Find out the R1 union R2. R1 union R2 क्या होगा? अरे यूनियन फाइंड आउट करो. Just ordered pair, consider ordered pair as your single element of R1 and R2. Yes, only 3U is your repeating element, so 3U will be write down once only. I'm just writing down the I will show you an example answer for the same. Just cross check and we'll move jump to the next. So R1 is having the all elements, 3U is written down once only. What about R1 intersection R2? It is 3U, of course. Yes, so the 3U is answer. What about the R1 minus R2? The elements which are present in A but not in B. So what will be the R1, R2? 1U, 2U and 2V. Yes, because 3U is there in R2. That's why we will not consider it in a R1 minus R2. Yes, what about R2 minus R1? Again same except 3U. So 1V and 3V. So this is what the combining relations. Okay. Yes.